This tree root is almost as tall. And I'm gonna fall in the hole. It's this huge, big tree. The only thing we have, I mean,
did you know
I don't.
The sirens are all about people cutting branches and falling off roofs and things. Is that really?
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that tree. You can see how big it is just compared to people. It's like a small tree in and of itself. Into the chipper. I don't know if you can see, but they're actually cutting the base of the tree right now with the crane holding up some of, well, all of it, I guess. Wow. And it's off. Yeah. And we're back in. Let's see it. There we go. He's even getting a picture of it.
Oh, then they're going to start chopping, huh?
Touchdown.
They're going to pull it and lay it this way.
They want to spin it first.
Yeah. That makes sense.
So the side without limbs will be laying.
That makes sense.
They're starting to move the tree now.
Yeah.
They sort of turn it and cut, yeah.
Crushing on the bottom.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'm trying to chop up some of these to save that baby tree.
Very appreciative. Oh, wow. Yeah. It wasn't around. If I'd have known any better.
Or you could just do that. And down. There you go. She is down off of her house.